What is Wealthy Affiliate? Wealthy Affiliate is an online internet marketing educational platform with a large community to train you on affiliate marketing and how to make money online. It includes web hosting, all kind of other really cool tools that are all included. There are two separate courses. One to train you on something, to build a website around something you're passionate about and to make money doing so. The second one is to promote Wealthy Affiliate itself and to make money doing so. Both courses are proven to work, and there are free tiers on each one of them. You will need to dedicate time to learn and grow and educate yourself and implement what you learn to be successful. Is Wealthy Affiliate a scam? No. They give you 10 free lessons in each course for free when you sign up, and 2 free websites to test it out. If it's something you want to do, you can progress to the premium membership at your own leisure. You don't even need a credit card to sign up, anything like that. There's plenty of information in both courses to see if it's something you're going to want to do and then decide to stay and upgrade, or if you just want to leave and not do it, that's cool too. The free course includes access to myself, the owners of Wealthy Affiliate, ask them anything, support and such. Premium membership obviously has a lot more, but like I said, there's enough in the free membership for you to check out, start transforming your ideas into profit, building beautiful websites that are profit ready, proven strategies to attract loads of traffic to those sites, and there's unlimited resources for affiliate marketing products. There were 60 or 600 million different products. You don't need any inventory. You don't need to ship anything. You don't need to provide any customer support for any affiliate products that you sell. So really cool. And they've been around for 15 years now. They're in 193 countries, over 1.4 million members. So go ahead, try the free membership. No obligation, no credit card needed. If it's something you want to do, then you can upgrade, and it's really cool. Sign up in the link in the video description below. And if you're still watching, thank you very much. I do have some bonuses for you if you sign up with my link. They do change from time to time, so you're gonna have to find out more information about that in the description below and such. Also, I have other videos here that you might want to check out, so please subscribe to the channel. That is all for now. I will talk to you soon.